I've been just on the walls, but before I was I went on Scream, and that made me feel quite sick. That made me feel quite sick, that ride, the Scream ride. It goes so fast. And I don't feel like going on again. It make me feel really sick. And I got a photo to prove I've been on too. It's just really, really scary. I'm going on the other ride now. And I see my tickets I got after. And I go upload these to YouTube. But Scream is really, really scary and also make me feel sick. I'm just waiting for that ride, so I'm just going right in the car. That really, really scary, that Scream. I still feel sick. Okay, I'm going to record on this ride, the one I'm going on now. Okay, bye.